guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting to show you. We're in Quezon City. And behind me is a previous swimming pool project that's gonna make you wanna dive in ASAP. This pool isn't your typical backyard setup. It's designed to be a tropical escape right at home. We're talking sleek lines, custom features, and a vibe that just screams relaxation. Let's start with the star of the show. Check out this gorgeous waterfall feature. Not only does it add a calming sound and that resort-style look, but it also helps keep the water cool and circulating. And when the sun goes down, this pool glows. Literally. It's got a full set of underwater LED lights that light up the entire pool. Perfect for night swimming or even hosting a poolside party. Everything was carefully planned, from the layout to the filtration system to the non-slip tiles around the pool deck. It's functional, beautiful, and definitely Instagram-worthy. Did you know that some underwater lights are designed to support chromotherapy or color therapy? Different light colors are believed to affect mood. For example, blue for calmness, red for energy, and green for relaxation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos and updates. Thank you for watching. For your swimming pool dream, here's our contacts. You can also visit our website at www.magescoservices.com.